New to the LUMIX S9 is the new hybrid crop zoom feature. The crop zoom uses the center part of the camera sensor to extend the zoom range whilst maintaining the image quality, whilst the hybrid zoom function combines both the optical and crop zoom to extend the focal length further. Here's how to use it. For this demo, we're going to be using the new 26mm lens. Go into your settings under image quality and scroll all the way down, then go across and select crop zoom video. Select on. On the screen, you can now crop by 1.6. The crop zoom also works on lenses with fixed focal length. Next, let's have a look at hybrid zoom. Select your menu, go to image quality for video, scroll all the way down, then go across to hybrid zoom video. This means using the 28 to 200mm zoom lens, you can achieve up to 625mm when shooting in Full HD. So there you have it for the hybrid and crop zoom feature. If you've used it or tried it, make sure you tag us, and happy content creation.